that's the good work that we did 2 days back and continuing with you now. So that's why since 800 people got rejected women, you were working, she was working till 3 o'clock in the morning and she came up here again 9 o'clock apart from shooting. So that's the kind of energy she has. So all Indian women should follow her physical fitness and diet and become so successful like her. Of Isaac to be better off. One is, all of you are aware that we have conducted a blood camp 2 days back. Okay. The eye is concerned, this month we are conducting a free eye campaign where all women of all ages will be tested free of cost for their eyes. And 80% of the problems of the eye can be cured in a diagnosis and a proper follow-up. These are 2 things which we request Ms. Rhea to endorse to the public, and she'll take over from now.
Hello everybody. It's nice to be in Visakhapatnam after very long. Can I get a big hello? As a kid, my mother used to give me, make sure that my diet was perfect. A lot of carrot was given. At one time, I used to be like, Ma, I used to turn around and say, Ma, I'm not a khargosh, so I'm not a rabbit. But mother made sure that my diet was perfect. That I did my, as a kid, was involved in my sports, my dance, and I've made sure I go for my swimming. Well, I was blessed, but and so are a lot of us. But it's very important to be aware about your hemoglobin count. It's really, really important. The doctor said it should be above 12. I'm blessed. I'm actually 13.
Oh, very good.
12.5 or something.
Fantastic. That's why you're so hardworking.
Yeah. Well, that's also because of a great diet that I have at home. Being a woman, you're a homemaker. You're the one the house runs because of you. You're the nucleus of the family. Everything works because of you. It's really important that you take care of your health. It's very important that you go for regular checkups. Make sure your diet is right. Because only when your diet is perfect, only when you're healthy, can you make sure that your children are healthy, that your husband is healthy. So I think it's something that women in India have to be very aware of. Not only, especially working women, and also very important for housewives, because housewives work really, really hard. It's a 24-hour job to take care of your kids and family and house. Secondly, about eyes, I run an NGO myself, which is called Spandana. Spandana in Hindi means touch. In Sanskrit, the Sanskrit word means touch. And I believe that blind, visually challenged people are blessed with a sense of touch. I work with them, and what we do is we make sure we give them job opportunities. We run a spa which is totally managed by visually challenged people. We have 5 or 6 people working under us who are totally blind. Listening to their stories and understanding how they became blind, how they lost their eyesight, I realized that one very important thing is proper medical health at the right time. A lot of them were so poor that they didn't have the money to even go for an eye checkup.
Perfect.
And they were so poor that one day they couldn't see properly, second day they couldn't see at all, third day it was hazy, they thought it was just a fever, and within like few months they just lost their eyesight. And they had to rebuild their life. It's very difficult if you can see and you lose your eyesight to rebuild your life, because it's really difficult to understand how to see the world when you can't really see it but actually feel it. I'm very grateful to you guys to invite me here to let me be part of your campaign. As ma'am said, that 2 out of every 3rd person is blind, and it's a lady who's blind. I was trying to understand from doctor as to I've been working with blind people, but I didn't know this major phenomena. I didn't know that it's alarming. It's really alarming.
60% of the women.
And so 60% of the people who are visually challenged, 60% of them are women.
That's bad.
It's alarming because I feel that a family sees through a woman's eyes. The most important memories of her growing up are of her mother, or of your wife, or of your daughter. And if you don't want, it's really important that they come forward. Make sure your mother, your daughter, your sister come for this free eye checkup. It's just nothing, it's just coming out and spreading the awareness and making sure that all the women you care for and all the women who care for you come for this checkup. And
free of cost.
at LV Prasad, it's free of cost. That's the best part. So anyone and everyone can avail for it. I hope, I'm sure it's going to be a good news by the end of it, but there's no harm in trying and checking out.
And 80% of problems can be diagnosed when a checkup.
And also the doctor says that 80% of the problems can be diagnosed, so
In a checkup.
in a checkup.
So many people will benefit because of your message.
So please, just spread the message. Please make sure your, as I said, I really recommend all the women you love and all the women who are giving you love, please make sure they come and get their eyes tested. And it's free of cost.
And there are 240 million visually challenged throughout the globe. And 80% of all eye problems can be diagnosed and treated if you are having a checkup done and follow up simple procedures. So 80% prevent chechandi. 1 million in India. So we need good celebrities with a good heart to send this message across and ask people to come actually get it checked up before it's too late. Usually they do it after the damage has been done. So we need celebrities like this to continue the good work and spread the message. Dr. Avinash will answer any.
And helping the women, especially, and you all must be aware that prevention is the best.
The message. People will read, only read or they're not reading. So the idea behind it, you should know why you are there. The idea behind it is such a good, famous celebrity, they talk. Everybody reads the article. At least if 10% of them, and one eye is improved, it will be a great, good karma for you and for all of us. So, ma'am will say something to sign off.
Do you want to ask some questions? Just.
మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగచ్చండి.
శ్రేయ గారిని అడగొచ్చు.